Hello everyone. Welcome back. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we're doing Mini Monday. Before we jump into that, I wanted to share a few challenges that other people have created, and these are all in my lineup. Look at all of these of ones that I want to do eventually, but I feel like it takes me a while to get through Mini Mondays, and so I just wanted to go ahead and share these creations because they're absolutely amazing, and you can find most of these for free. I think I bought maybe a couple of them for like $1 or something. But anyways, let's just jump into that, and then we'll do our Mini Monday. If you guys want to skip ahead and you don't want to see these challenges, then you can skip ahead in the video. But this first one is new by Lil's World 733. Don't forget to save for your birthday. So I know it's not like mini size, but I was just going to use it because one of the categories is Aria's birthday. And then this is a set of 3 by Saving with Tiffany. It's a winter vibes set, and I just thought these were so cute. So there's those ones by Saving with Tiffany. This one is new by Keeping It Crispy, and she is on her road to, I think it was 300, possibly more. I'll have to double check what that is because it was on the top of this page, but I cut it out. So anyways, it's a set of 3. They're all so cute. They're racing themed. So I thought those were adorable. These are from Restoration by Autumn. These are February national holidays. So we have Groundhog's Day, Hug Day, and Margarita Day. That's going to be a favorite. Then these are by Vicky Thinks. This is one I have in my rotation right now, trying to finish it. And these are the other 2 that came with that set, the little sea creatures. These ones are Savin' with Sam. So there's strawberry, s'more, donut one. That's a roll and save. So cute. So yeah, there's those. These ones are mine in my Ko-fi. If you haven't grabbed them, you can grab these. I'm not gonna put them out because they're mine. Nobody cares. January 31st and January 19th are also national holidays by Restoration by Autumn. And I have the first one here that I'm working on. So these are so cute. These are some more from my Ko-fi. Kitten Whiskers, Twirlin' Teddies. This is a set of 3. Copper Kettles, Powder Penguins. These I think are a couple dollars, or I'm not sure if they're free on my Ko-fi. Okay, then we have Bookish Mama Budgets. These might be old. I'm not sure when she made these, but I thought they were so cute with the little kawaii animals. Look at those guys. All right, so that's Bookish Mama Budgets. Then Canadian Finance Journey had this Easter themed ones, Chillin' with My Peeps and Happy Easter. And I think this maybe came with 2 tinies. Then my friend Vicky over at Vicky Thinks, thank you for 100 followers. And she's already at 200 now. So like, this is old. I think she's at 200 already. But yeah, I downloaded this a while ago and I just haven't used it yet. So there's that one. And then we have Teacher Mom Budgets with this set of penguins. So cute. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see all of those, but and then this was not a freebie. I paid for this one, so I'm gonna set that aside. But so many freebies, guys, and this isn't even all of them. There are so many others, and I don't even know, looking at this stack, I don't even know how I'm gonna get through them all, but I'm gonna do my best. So I wanted to give a shout out to all these creators in case I don't get to their challenge like forever and ever. just know I have it and I want to use it. And thank you so much for creating and sharing your talent with us. You guys are all amazing. Love it. Okay, so go grab them. I'll link all of these people down below. All right, so let me get set up and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I have all of these facing down because I want it to be a surprise for me. I have 15 ones here and one buyback 5 for a total of $20. And all of these savings challenges go towards my daughter's sinking funds. All right, so we're getting started. My friend Ange does this thing where she tries to guess which one will win. So I'm going to say number 5. Oh, look at that. Oops. 2, number 5, 5, 5, 6. All right, yay, everyone got something. 6 and 6. Does this one have 5? 3, 4. Oh, I don't think anything got 5. So I guess let's let me grab five more ones. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we'll keep going. 3, 2, 5, 6, and last one, 3. Okay, it might be 3 actually that won. So let me set these up over here and we will see what we have. I hope you guys are having a great start to your day, start to your week. I am recording this late on Saturday night, trying to be a little quiet because my daughter is sleeping. She really wants to sleep with me in my bed, so that's tricky because if she was in her room, then I could close the door and I could record at my desk where I usually do, but I did not feel like fighting that battle today, so she's in my bed currently. Okay, so this one is by Creative Ink Scribbles, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 to add to this. And let's see, we need one more to make a 5, and these 3 will be saved for later. So we have $15 here locked in. We're gonna color another one of these pizza boxes. As I am recording this, guys, I'm at 199 subscribers. So I already have a little freebie ready to post for whenever I hit that 200 mark. And I just cannot believe that that's where I'm at. This community is just so supportive. And I mean, I had a YouTube channel a while ago when I was married. And sorry, just flashback. It just did not, like, it wasn't going anywhere. And I was still recording videos and I was having fun with it. I've always loved recording videos and making content, but this has just been a completely different experience, and I really believe it is the people, and y'all just make it so fun and encouraging. Oh, what am I doing? I need to put these in here. Hello. Okay, so these are going in here folded. Okay, and this one is going towards, what is Aria's school. I might end up reallocating this because $80 is a lot. I might need to use that for something else, but we'll see. All right, this was a freebie in my Ko-fi a while ago. Around Christmas time, I did like the song, a few of my favorite things. So it's Raindrops and Roses is the first one. We have 21 in here, and we need to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each rose is 2, and the raindrops are 1. So let's color in all of the raindrops today. And I was watching someone's video the other day. I can't remember who it was, but they were talking about spending time coloring, and I actually really do enjoy coloring, but my anxiety of having y'all watch and be bored gets the best of me, and so I end up coloring fast and not doing a good job. So I'm gonna just enjoy this, and I might speed this up in the video. Okay, that felt like it took forever. But I do enjoy coloring, and I want it to be an enjoyable thing to do these. I really look forward to doing this every weekend. I'm so excited and so pumped to record and to just save money and see these cute challenges, and it's just really fun. So I want to make that part enjoyable for me too. Okay, so we just have $4 more and this one will be done. And where is this going? I always forget to check. This is just general for Aria. Okay. Also paranoid that my phone is gonna die. All right, so this one is by Restoration by Autumn, part of her January national holidays, National Hangover Day, January 1st. So we're adding $2 to this, and we're going to cross out 2 of these little coffee cups. I love my coffee in the morning. I usually drink it black because that's how I was raised, but sometimes if I need a little extra comfort, I put some cream in there. What about y'all? What is your go-to coffee style? Let me know. Okay, and this one is Powder Penguins. This is a set of 3 that I made. So I'm just trying to finish this up. We're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we actually have this dollar from last time. You can see I did a check mark and then I crossed it out because we weren't supposed to check mark it yet. So we have, what did I say, 6? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, so this is officially done for 6. So $2 more and we will be done with that one. You know what? I think I'm just gonna grab $2 and we're gonna call that done because this has been in my stack for way too long. I wanna get something new in here. So we should have 24. Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Awesome. And this is going towards Aria's birthday. So $24 to her birthday. I don't have a paper clip right now. It's in my room on my desk. So I'm going to set this aside for now. And let's see, let's pull a new challenge here. I'm going to go with this one by Saving with Tiffany because it snowed on Friday, and so there's snow on the ground currently. So I'm going to stick that in there, and we will get started on that next time. All right, then we have this coffee bean one, which is so close to being done as well. I can never figure out which is open and closed with these zippers. All right, so let's see, we're adding 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna grab a 1 because we're gonna finish this one too, because I cannot, let's just not leave it at just 1. And my marker that I've been using is in my room. Aria is sleeping, so I'm just gonna use this one. I can't remember who was telling me that they have like an extra few ones laying around in case this happens where they're just left with one and they just don't want to not finish the challenge. So I thought that was a really good idea. So there we go. That is finished, guys. And we should have 25 in here. 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay. And this is going towards Arya's college fund. So it's crazy to think about that, but she's only 4 years old, but I want to start saving for it. And even if she doesn't go to college, she'll have a good fund going for something in her future, whatever she ends up doing. All right, we're gonna go with this one. My girl Vicky at Vicky Thinks. We're gonna make each item let's do $2. Okay, and this will go in here for next time. All right, last but not least, this one by Vicky. I guess I should have pulled someone else's, but I really like that one by Vicky, and I don't know, maybe I'll change it out for someone else's. Spread the love. But this one is getting $1 more. Okay. So this has 5, 6, 7. Okay. All right, I'm actually going to sub out Vicky's. I'm sorry, Vicky. I already have one of yours, so I'm actually going to sub this out for this one by Saving with Sam, because this would be cute for Valentine's Day, and I'm just gonna go ahead and say that this is for me to get a little Valentine's something for Arya, and that way it'll give me enough time to save up for that, hopefully. Yeah, even if I just do like $1 a piece. All right, so that's what we'll do with that one. Okay, and that way each challenge is somebody different. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, for hanging out with me, and I hope that you all have a great Monday and a great rest of your week, and I'll see you tomorrow for Tiny Tuesdays. Bye!